How to scan Wi-Fi QR code on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the camera application on your phone. The camera app has a built-in feature to automatically scan and recognize QR codes. Now, simply point your camera directly at the QR code you wish to scan. The camera will automatically detect the QR code and highlight it with a yellow box. A notification or link button will appear on the screen with the encoded information. In this case, a button Join Network is displayed at the bottom. Tap on it as shown. A confirmation pop-up will appear, asking if you want to join the specified Wi-Fi network. Tap on Join to connect your device to the network. You can then verify the connection by opening the Settings application. From the Settings menu, tap on Wi-Fi. You will see that your iPhone is now connected to the network, indicated by the blue checkmark next to its name. Following these steps, you can easily scan Wi-Fi QR code on an iPhone.